Hi, my name is Anukalp Jain. I am from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Mumbai Refinery. Here at the Energy Technology Meet, as the name suggests, we are here to showcase technology. And at the BPCL Pavilion is what we are trying to showcase here, the technological advancements within our BPCL Corporation. Talking about the event, it is where all the technocrats assemble, they tell about their researches, about the knowledge, about the advancements going across India, not only across India, across the world. As our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Singh Modi says, that Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat is the most important thing nowadays. This is what we are also striving to do as a corporation. If you can see across the pavilion, we have the two holographic models about the plants upcoming, which is going to help India's boost towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we are also showcasing our niche product portfolio, wherein the DAS projects, we are the only ones in India to do so, which is a great substitute for the imports. And apart from that, we have the upcoming petrochemical plant, wherein we are trying to take our intensity up from 2% to 8% and furthermore. The future is a bit segregated as of now, but yes, for India's energy demand, we see peaking at 2040. But as of now, industries are going towards petrochemical. So this is the new norm, oil to chemicals. And in the upcoming times, we are seeing the green energy boost. So the industries are taking this path to diversify their portfolio, not only in refining, but in green energy also. Yes, so Bharat Petroleum has done a tie-up with SBI where there is an Octane card and also through an app. You can do the payment. So directly when you're going to the petrol pump, you do payment through the app and that gets auto-registered on the filling station and you are directly rewarded a 1% refund on that. So we would recommend or we would push customers to either go for the SBI Octane card. I'm not doing any branding here, but you can directly download the BPCL app. You can do payments on the app and then you get benefit of that. It is useful to, it is similar for all the customers. Employees are not getting any specific benefits, but for all customers, BPCL has done this initiative wherein you can download the app and do it for everyone. Thank you so much.